Greetings, everyone. My name is Donald Andre. I'm a student at Trident University. I'm pursuing my doctorate in business administration. Today, we have a special uh, topic to discuss. This is titled How COVID-19 Impact the Healthcare System. Um, as we know, during World War II, after the World War, we have a lot of crises, a lot of diseases such as malaria, HIV, typhoid, to name a few. However, we never shut down the country. Today, with COVID-19, which has a very low mortality rate, the world has turned upside down. Compared to many industries that have been affected, the healthcare system was impacted the most. The rationale of supply and demand, and especially medical supply, we were unable to find masks, ventilation. All that has impacted the way that we used to work in the healthcare industry. Nurses couldn't find the proper gear to wear. Doctors couldn't find the proper gear to wear. Patients couldn't find bed nor a ventilator system to help them breathe better. When we have a supply and demand crisis in the world, you can believe it's going to be chaos. My research questions are how to prevent another logistics nightmare. Secondly, who benefit the most during crisis and what happened during a crisis? How can we prevent that? We, in our literature review, we ship we have a alliance with NAFTA, and NAFTA, where we're supposed to keep it here in North America, now we ship most of our manufacturers overseas. When we ship them, because the industry is trying to have cheap labor, and that's what happened. By the time for you to get what you need coming all the way from China, people are dying. We can do better as a nation. We can do better as people. We need to put greed aside a little bit and try to see how not only we can produce quality goods here in the US, also we can help the environment, because every time you ship something across the sea, the ship pour out a lot of emission in the atmosphere, and that will destroy the world, that will affect the climate change also. For our meteorology, observation is one of the most that we can do doing our research, because when we observe what's happening, what's going on, then we can start to draw a plan for it. Secondary data also will be helpful, because we can go back and to review the records, things that happened before. Also, we can use social media. Social media, it may not be a reliable source. However, some people know things what coming up before we know it. In social media, you find everything. Some true, some fiction, and some also true. Then you need to have a team who will be able to read between the lines so can see what makes sense or not make any sense. Significance is to prevent another nightmare, is to pay attention to detail, and is to apply the finding that we found in our research. If we can do that, the world would be a better place. Those are different references. I hope you look them over. Thank you and have a wonderful day.